let me remember the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, I taught you about how to use have and has. And in addition to that, I taught you about do and does. The function of has and have, and the function of do and does. Student, are you with me? Okay, let us go to today's lesson. Today's lesson has objectives. The objectives of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson, the students will be able to, the first objective is count numbers 0 up to 50. Count numbers 0 up to 50. The second objective is fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. The third objective is match sentences with pictures. Match sentences with pictures. The fourth objective of this lesson is write numbers by word. Write numbers by word. Okay, student, let us go to the next point. Look at this one. The next point is a writing activity. So I tell you about the information how to write a sentence. How to write a sentence. Student, look at this one. The instruction, it says what? Write 5 sentences about what you have. Write 5 sentences about what you have. Let us see the example. There is example here. Students, are you with me? There is example here. Example number 1, it says, I have a red pen. I have a red pen. Example 2, I have a small white ball. I have a small white ball. So, according to this example, you must create 5 sentences what you have. I give you for this question 10 seconds. You have to create 5 sentences dependence on or in terms of the 2 examples. In terms of the 2 examples. Student, look at first the example. The example, it says what? I have a red pen. The second sentence, it says, I have a small white ball. In terms of this example, let me give you 20 seconds for this question. So you have to create a sentence depends on what you have. Depends on what you have. I gave you 20 seconds for this question, student. Well done, student. Have you created a sentence? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, you have to use different kinds of language expression. You can make a sentence. You can make a sentence. Okay, let us go to the next point, student. The next point, it says, okay, student, the next point is talking about numbers. The next point is talking about numbers. So, number 1, it says what? Oral language. So, at this time, you have to repeat words by orally. By orally. Look at the direction. It says, listen and repeat the numbers 0 to 50. Listen and repeat the numbers 0 to 50. Student, please say after me. Let us count the numbers. When I finished count the numbers, you have to repeat the numbers. You have to repeat the numbers. Let us start from 0. Say after me, students. Let us count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you with me, students? Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Are you with me, students? Now, I count 0 up to 50. Is that not? So, you have to pronounce numbers by this way. You have to pronounce number by this way. Okay, students. Let us go to the next point. The next point, it says, it is a writing activity. There is a writing activity here. Look at the instruction, it says. Write the numbers in words. Make sure that the words are spelled correctly. Write the numbers in words. Make sure that the words are spelled correctly. Look at this one. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers here, and there is number words. The first one is give us an example for you. The first number name is 22. 22. Student, what is the name of this number? I will give you for this question 10 seconds. You have to answer this question. What is the name of this number? What is the name of this number? And also how to spell it. And also how to spell it. I give you 20 seconds for this question. Thank you, students. The name of this number is 17. Is that not? 17. So, how do you spell the word 17? How do you spell the word 17? Look at. The first letter is S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N. Together, 17. Together, 17. What about the name of this number? Student, I gave you 10 seconds for this question. What is the name of this number? Thank you, students. The name of this number is 39. Yes, the name of this number is 39. So, student, how do you spell it, the word 39? How do you spell it, the word 39? The first letter is T. Is that not? T, H, I, R, T, Y, N, I, N, E. Together, 39. Yes, the answer is 39. Let us go to the next number. Student, what is the name of this number? What is the name of this number? And also, how do you spell it? The name of this number. I give you 10 seconds for this time. Thank you, student. The name of this number is 50. The name of this number is 50. Is that not? Yes. So, how do you spell it, the word 50? How do you spell it, the word 50? Let us do together. The first letter is F, I, F, T, Y. Together, 50. Yes. So, you have to pronounce the name of this number by this way. Okay. Let us go to the last question and the last number. Student, what is the name of this number? And how do you spell this number? What is the name of this number? Please tell me. I give you 20 seconds for this question. Thank you, students. Have you got the answer? The name of this number is 44. The name of this number is 44. So, how do you spell the word 44, student? Let us do together. Okay. The first letter is F O U R T Y. F O U R. Together, 44. The answer is 44. So you have to pronounce the number by this form. You have to pronounce the number by this form. Thank you for your participation, student. Let us go to the next point. The next point is there is a short story over here. The instruction it says oral language, and the direction it says listen as your teacher read the story. Listen as your teacher reads the story. Let us read the story together. Are you with me, student? Okay. The title it says what? Ahmed and Jamal. Ahmed and Jamal. Student, please read together. Okay. It is Saturday. It is Saturday. The day is sunny and warm. Ahmed and Jamal help their mother and father. Ahmed sweeps the floor. Jamal washes the pots. The two children go outside. They see a cat. It sleeps in the compound. Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Ahmed says, Jamal, do you want to sing a song? Jamal answers, no. Let us play in the compound. We can run to the gate. You can go fast. You can go fast. Father calls, hey, you two. There are beans in the garden. Play in the compound after you sort the beans. Ahmed and Jamal ran to the garden. Ran to the garden. They sort the beans. They take the beans into the house. They take the beans into the house. Mother cooks them in the kitchen. Ahmed and Jamal play in the compound. Student, have you listened to the story? Are you with me? Thank you for your participation. Okay, depends on in this story, or in terms of in this story, let me give you a short activity. Let me give you a short activity. Student, look at the direction it says. The direction it says, read the sentence and point to the matching picture. The direction it says, read the sentence and point to the matching pictures. Student, you have to read the 5 sentences correctly, and after that I will show you a picture. First, let me give you 10 seconds for reading task. You have to read the 5 sentences and I will show you a picture, student. I will give you 10 seconds for this question. Well done, student. Thank you very much. Let us read together. The first sentence it says what? Ahmed and Jamal sort the beans. Number 2, Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Number 3, Ahmed sweeps the floor. Number 4, Jamal washes the pot. Is that not? Yes. The last sentence it says what? Mother cooks the beans in the kitchen. Mother cooks the beans in the kitchen. Now, I will show you a picture. So you have to match the sentence with a picture. You have to match a sentence with a picture. Okay. There are 5 pictures in this smart television. This one is the first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Student, let me back to the sentence. The first sentence, it says what? Ahmed and Jamal sort the beans. Ahmed and Jamal sort the beans. So, which picture describe the sentence? Look at, student. Which sentence describe the sentence? The sentence, it says what? Ahmed and Jamal sort the beans. So, which picture describe that sentence? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5? Which picture? I give you 10 seconds for this question, student. I give you 10 seconds. Well done, student. Thank you very much. The first sentence, it says, Ahmed and Jamal sort the pens. So, picture number 1 is describe this sentence. Is that not? Picture number 1 describe the first sentence. Let us go to the second sentence. The second sentence, it says, Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Okay, let us show you the picture. Let me show you the picture. I give you 10 seconds for this question, students. Look at the picture, and which picture describe the second sentence? Which picture describe the second sentence? Thank you, student. The answer is what? Picture number 3. Picture number 4. Picture number 4. Let us see the sentence. The sentence, it says, Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. And look at the picture. In picture number 4, Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Ahmed and Jamal pet the cat. Okay. What about the third sentence? Students, are you with me? The third sentence is Ahmed sweeps the floor. Ahmed sweeps the floor. Let me show you the picture. So, what picture describe the third sentence? What picture describe the third sentence? I give you 10 seconds for this question, student. Well done. Thank you for your participation, student. So, the answer is what? Picture number 3. Yes, picture number 3. Because the sentence, it says, Ahmed sweeps the floor. So, in picture number 3, please, student, look at picture number 3. Ahmed is sweeping the floor. Ahmed is sweeping the floor. Okay, students. What about the fourth sentence? The fourth sentence, it says, Jamal washes the pot. Jamal washes the pot. So, which picture describe this sentence, student? I give you 10 seconds. Look at the picture and tell me which picture describe the sentence, the fourth sentence. Well done, student. Thank you very much. The answer is picture number 5. Because in picture number 5, Jamal washes the pot. Jamal washes the pot. Okay, student. Let us go to the last sentence. The last sentence, it says, Mother cooks the beans in the kitchen. Mother cooks the beans in the kitchen. Let me show you the picture. After that, you have to tell me which picture describe the fifth sentence. The fifth sentence. Look at carefully. I give you 10 seconds, students. Well done. Thank you very much for your participation. So, the answer is picture number 2. Because in this picture, in this picture, mother cooks a bean. Mother cooks the bean in the kitchen. Mother cooks the bean in the kitchen. This is all about for the picture. Okay, students, is it clear? Thank you. Thank you, students. Let us go to for the next point. Student, now you have to read after me the two sentences. You have to read after me the two sentences. Look at number 2 is reading activity. The direction it says, read the following sentence out loud. Read the following sentences out loud. Okay, student. First, let me read the first sentence and you have to read after me. Sentence number 1. He has a blue pen and a yellow pencil. I repeat it. He has a blue pen and a yellow pencil. Student, please read after me. I give you 10 seconds for this question. Thank you, student. Have you read it? Thank you. Let us see the second sentence. The second sentence, it says what? She has a big bag. She has a big bag and a small umbrella. She has a big bag and a small umbrella. Student, please say after me. Read it. Thank you, students. She has a big bag and small umbrella. Thank you. Okay, let us go to the next point. The next point is a writing activity. Writing activity. Write 3 sentences. Look at the direction, student, carefully. Write 3 sentences using the word and, using the word and to connect words or phrases. Read your sentence to a partner. First, you have to create 3 sentences by using the word and you have to read for your friends. You have to read for your friends. Example. Let me give you example first of all. There are 2 examples here. There are 2 examples here. Number 1. I have a blue pen and a black book. I have a blue pen and a black book. This is the first sentence. Let us see the second sentence, students. Are you with me? Thank you, students, for your participation. Okay. The second sentence, it says what? I have a pink skirt and a brown coat. I have a pink skirt and a brown coat. Is it clear, students? So, you have to create 3 sentences. You have to create 3 sentences by using the word what? By using the word and, just like that the example. Just like the example. You have to create 3 sentences by using the word and. Okay, let us go to for the next point. Students, let me give you a time. Please create 3 sentences. Let me give you a time. Please create 3 sentences by using and. By using and. Just like this example. Just like the 2 examples. Just like the 2 examples. Look at the example. I have a blue pen and a black book. In the second sentence, it says what? I have a pink skirt and a brown coat. So, in terms of this example, student, I give you 1 minute for this question. You have to create 3 sentences by using the word and. By using the word and. Just like this example. I will give you 1 minute, student. Thank you, students, for your participation. Thank you very much. Let us go to the next point. The next point is talking about, this is, by the way, this is the summary activity for today's lesson. This is the summary activity of today's lesson. Look at number 2. Number 2, it says what? Word practice. Student, look at the direction, please. With a partner, fill in the gaps with the missing numbers. Student, at this time, you have to fill the missing numbers. You have to fill the missing numbers. This is your assignment. This is your assignment, and this is for the summary activity for today's lesson. This is the summary activity of today's lesson. Let me tell you how to do this activity. There is no number here. Is that not, student? There is no number here. And also there is no number here. So, what number come before number 2? What number come before number 2? And what number come after number 2? What number come after number 2? So, you have to fill the missing numbers. This is your assignment. This is your assignment. This is your summary activity, and also this one is your summary activity. I gave you 2 assignments. Is that not? The first one is you have to create a sentence. You have to create a sentence. How many sentences? 3 sentences. I need 3 sentences. You have to create a sentence, 3 sentences, by using the word and. This is the first assignment. The second assignment is what? You have to fill the missing numbers. You have to fill the missing numbers. Please, parents, support your children. Try to do this activity. This is all about for today. Thank you for your participation. This is all about for today. I will see you next time. Goodbye, students.